Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia C200 for Boost Mobile. So this Nokia C200 is a new budget smartphone for Boost Mobile. It's available now in gray, 32 gigabytes of storage. It's $59.99 currently on sale, $60 off. The full retail price of the Nokia C200 is $119.99. So this is a budget smartphone. So to keep it in mind, so this is the first Nokia phone for Boost Mobile since the Nokia Lumia 635. That was a Windows phone from several years ago. So this is the first Nokia phone since the Nokia Lumia 635. From as far as I remember. So yeah, this one's also available on Straight Talk track phone as well. So pretty cool. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, a backup phone, or whatever, the Nokia C200 could be the phone for you guys to check out there. So there it is in its entirety there on the front. Very nice looking phone. You guys got the teardrop notch, front facing camera there, power and volume buttons on the right side of the phone. You got your chin there with your Nokia logo there on the bottom. I do like the wallpaper there, very nice. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot, which is nice. There's the front of it again. Left side, micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side, power button, volume keys. There's the front of it there. Very nice looking phone, pretty, decent looking phone, The bottom of the Nokia C200 is your microphone in your charging port, which I think it's Type C. I think it is. There's your camera up down the back. Has its circular shape in terms of camera design and stuff. Camera up here, camera flash on there. You only get one camera on the back here, so keep that in mind. Nokia logo, speaker on the back. There's a better look at the cameras on the back. Like I said, you only get one camera on the back, so that's disappointing. I'm sure that'd be a turnout for a lot of folks, especially in 2022, because a lot of budget phones have at least 3 or 4 cameras on the back. This one only has one. So keep that in mind. That's the back of it again. The top of the Nokia C200 is your headphone jack and your noise sensor microphone, which is very nice to see a headphone jack. The Nokia C200 has 28 hours of talk time, Android 12 of course, 13 megapixel main camera, and that's the only camera that you guys get in the back. 6.1 inch display. Says the Nokia C200 is the ideal choice for those looking to upgrade their smartphone experience without blowing their budget. It combines sleek Nordic design with enhanced durability, so it can take all of life's knocks. You can also get your fill of entertainment with the big 6.1 inch screen and a long-lasting battery. It also features all the modern touches you expect from a smartphone, including a high quality front and rear cameras, Android 12 with smart security features, and 4G connectivity. This is definitely the phone for those who are savvy about both their wallets and their smartphones. So pretty cool there, pretty decent budget smartphone here. The phone looks decent, that doesn't look terrible and nothing like that. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. Features where form meets function. It says live your life worry free by combining classic Nordic design with enhanced durability. It brings style and steadiness to a smartphone and will still look great knock after knock. All day entertainment. The big 6.1 inch screen lets you see more of the entertainment you love. Add the long lasting battery and you'll never get left on a cliffhanger again. Smoother, safer. Utilizing the latest Android 12, your device will run faster and easier to use than previous devices. Added security features also ensures everything you want to keep private stays that way. Your face is your strongest password. There is only one you. And with Face Unlock, you can access your phone with a single look, so you do get facial recognition on here, which is pretty cool for a budget phone like this. So that's pretty cool. Crystal clear calls. Enjoy crystal clear HD video, HD voice calls, thanks to voice over LTE support. Photos you'll be proud to post. The 13 megapixel rear camera, rear facing camera with flash lets you take thumb stopping photos with ease, while the 8 megapixel front facing camera makes your selfies shine. A battery that gets you through the weekend. Not everything will last a weekend, but the Nokia C200 has you covered. It can last 2 days on a single charge, helping you power through. The speed you need. Life moves fast, and whether you are watching movies, checking social, or uploading videos, 4G gives you the speed you need. Combine that with the quad-core processor and Android 12, you'll be getting things done fast. Specs on the Nokia C200. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so the specs do reflect that though. But it's not bad. It's not bad for a budget phone like this. Like I said, a 6.1 inch display, HD plus LCD, nice display. So pretty decent display there. 4,000 mAh battery, non-removable battery. 28 hours of talk time. A MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor, 2 GHz, Android 12. The Nokia C200 with 6.8 ounces. Camera is 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera with flash, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage with support for micro SD up to 256 gigabytes, so take advantage of that. Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi capable, USB Type-C, headphone jack, which is very nice to see on a phone. Your dimensions on the Nokia C200: 6.16 inches height, 2.88 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. Other features include Face Unlock, so that's pretty cool for a budget phone like this. What comes in the box is your charger, which is very nice to see. English and Spanish guide, Type-C cable, SIM tool, English and Spanish safety booklet, Nokia C200 smartphone. So pretty cool there. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a budget phone or a backup phone or whatever the case may be, the Nokia C200 could be worth taking a look at here. This is a budget smartphone, so keep that in mind. The phone looks decent, you know. It doesn't look terrible or nothing like that. It's decent looking. The main con about the phone that only has one rear camera in the back, which that would throw a lot of people off, and that probably turn a lot of people away from getting this phone because it only has one camera in the back. Like I said, a lot of budget phones have at least 3 or 4 cameras in the back, and this one only has one camera in the back, which is disappointing. But it is what it is, guys. So this would be a great backup phone and whatnot. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.